Prepping the garlic. I'm going to cut off this hard end. Take out what you can of the skin so far. Then I'll show you an easy way how we clean the garlic. After we clean the garlic, the tips off, I threw it in the microwave for like 15 seconds. Then you need 2 bowls. Put 2 bowls together like this. And then shake them as vigorously as you can. That should be ready. Nice garlic, all the skin comes right off. Just a little trick that I like to use, because you know peeling the skin off of the garlic is a pain in the butt.